Hey, welcome back to my channel.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be unboxing the ZillaReel retractable extension cord. So it has adjustable cord stopper, circuit breaker with reset button, lighted triple tap outlet, oil resistant cord, and a grounded plug. So I got this off Amazon for $104.99, and its shipping weight is just over 13 pounds. So this is what's in the box. You got instructions, of course. Unfortunately, there's no mounting equipment with it, so it has recommendations in the instruction booklet on how to mount it. And it swivels 180 degrees. It's got a bright green appearance. And the triple tap, which is lighted, which I like. And here's a close-up of the reel. So on this side you have the reset button. And then here's a close-up of the specs. So here we have it mounted, and I had to install this beam in between the other beams, but it worked out pretty good. And it just hangs just high enough where it doesn't hit your head, but you can still grab it and pull it down. Thank you for watching my video.